is Kayleen from the Star Sisters, and this is Connor from
Death Yeti.
And we're gonna be trying some candy that we've been microwaving for at least 30 seconds. Some of it has been burnt, but we redid it. Like this one's been burnt. This was
Don't try this at home. We had to smoke out.
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a Reese's Pieces. And
I don't even know what that is.
I think that was. Oh my gosh. That was.
It's alien candy. Look at it.
We don't know what this is, but that is a red vine.
Look, no, I think that's a Twizzler.
Oh yeah, Twizzler. This is lollipops. This was a Tootsie Roll thing, and then this was
It's called a Footsie.
a Footsie. Okay, that was a Reese's Piece, and that's a mystery candy.
No, I think that was a Tootsie.
Came from another planet
Oh,
candy.
yeah, maybe it was a Tootsie.
Maybe.
What do you think? Subscribe. Add a comment and tell us what you think it is.
I feel like it's a chocolate. Okay,
Well, obviously it's
so
brown.
let's start. Oh wait, that's the caramel chocolate cheese. Let's get this little cup. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna be trying this first.
Looks delicious. Oh, no. It got all over me.
I touched it.
No.
And it melted. I don't really like Reese's Pieces.
Actually, I actually love it. It's delicious. Probably going to be the most delicious one that we're going to try.
Yeah, okay. Next one is these Fruities.
I want to come closer.
Why? You gave me the evil look. I still have chocolate in my fingers.
Okay, so this one is stuck to the plate.
Mine's frozen.
They're frozen to the plate.
Use your nails.
No, I don't get food under them.
Okay, so I'll be back. I'm gonna go get a knife.
Get a sharp one.
What in the world?
A sharp one.
Not a sharp one.
That one's pretty sharp.
It will not.
No, I think that's too sharp.
Okay.
Let me do it.
No.
Huh? Oh,
There
there's
you
a
go.
crumb.
Try this little crumb.
I did. I tried it. We tried it, so you
Actually,
can't
it tastes
dislike
like
it.
It tastes like a lollipop.
We tried it, so you can't dislike
There
it.
was like little crumbs.
It's gonna be hard
Oh,
to get
a
off
bigger
the plate.
crumb. Here you go.
Can I see how
See this?
Yeah,
Oh, it's actually pretty good.
That was hard.
It's like a
I
lollipop.
liked it.
It's like a lollipop. That's pretty good.
It tastes exactly how they are before they microwave.
Yeah, okay. So
Oh no.
they're caramel chocolates. And you can see it's kind of...
Okay, so I still got.
No, you have to have this.
Mm-mm.
There you go. And I'm gonna eat this. There you go.
Please kill me. One like is one
One...
hope for.
I don't know. One like is one thing that... Sorry for reading these.
One like is one person will be saved in a video like this.
Yeah. If you love puppies, like
Yeah.
and subscribe. That was... Tastes like a burnt marshmallow, kind of like the outside, like the
It
cookie
just
part.
tastes like a s'more or something.
Yeah, okay. I'm excited about the Twizzlers.
I want to taste this one. I looked at it. Ew.
Mine tastes perfectly normal. A little bit gooier.
I know I cook chicken at home, but no human is supposed to cook candy.
Okay. Last one. This is the worst one.
Yeah, I'll take that one. I can't take it.
It's frozen! Okay.
Super knife.
No.
It stabbed me.
Oh my gosh.
Imagine I made a video. I cut my finger off.
That would probably not be uploaded.
I hope it would be uploaded.
Oh my gosh, I almost cut myself. You do it.
Probably shouldn't do that. I already cut myself one time. When I was a kid, I was cutting an apple with a butter knife and it slid into my thumb. About a centimeter ago.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, that was.
You cut yourself.
Let's play hardball. There you go.
Okay, I got mine.
Get it.
Killing the fruit punch is really good.
Not gonna lie, it tastes like an airhead.
I still have the Twizzler in my mouth.
Not gonna lie.
Tastes exactly the same, but
That tastes delicious. It tastes like an air. Mine tastes chewy.
you're lucky you had a good one. 'Cause I
Yeah,
hate root beer.
you got Tootsie. Like Tootsie Roll. She got fruit punch.
I love that Twizzler.
Okay.
It's supposed to be a challenge. You're not
Bye.
supposed to like it. Please subscribe.
Bye. And
and
go check
such.
out his channel.
Yeah.